Meanwhile, the stock market also got a boost from strong quarterly results. The second quarter earnings season kicked off with a bang last week, with more than two-thirds of S&P 500 firms that have announced results so far smashing forecasts. Tech giants Amazon and Apple have also joined their peers this week in reporting better than expected results. Now, Amazon says it earned $6.7 billion in the April to June quarter thanks to strong online sales. That's compared with a $2 billion loss in the same period last year, driven by its investment in the electric vehicle startup Rivian. The e-commerce giant also says that revenue in the current quarter could reach as high as $143 billion, sending its shares up by 8%. Now, Apple also proved resilient in the second quarter. Net profit at the world's largest company by market value rose 2.3% to reach nearly $20 billion as the number of paying subscribers for its digital services topped 1 billion users worldwide. But shares in the company dropped around 2% after revenue fell slightly to $81.8 billion. The fall was driven by the continued slowdown in iPhone sales. Last week, the other three members of the big tech club reported jaw-dropping results amid rising investor excitement about artificial intelligence. But all companies have warned of higher spending in the next quarter, sending investors the message that they'll have to spend more to make more in the future. Well, let's get more on this now with Mickey Levy, who joins us from New York. He's a senior economist at Berenberg Capital Markets. Great to have you back with us, Mickey. Now, we know during the height of pandemic lockdowns, we saw the tech sector surge because of the demand for their services. We saw them dip again after that, and now there seems to be quite an impressive rally. Now, is that all about the excitement regarding artificial intelligence? What's driving this current surge?
Well, it's not just excitement. It's the emerging reality that AI is going to be transformative in terms of growth, business expansion, productivity, and it's really quite extraordinary. It's somewhat similar to the the invention and development of the semiconductor and computer chips. If we remember back to Apple and the rolling out in 2008 of the of their smartphone, this is really quite extraordinary. So it's not just excitement; it's behind the scenes. There are literally thousands and thousands of innovations that are underway now that are going to implement AI into various facets of business.